I ended up picking Young Judea's year course, the culinary program. And I thought that was really cool. It was kind of, another aspect that, nobody ever threw in there before, and I really like cooking. And so that was fantastic. Every Sunday for 3 months in Jerusalem, I go to Machne Yehuda and like go through this little back alley, behind a meat stand, there's a big metal door, you open it up and you walk upstairs, there's this beautiful, marble countertop kitchen, and this famous chef that, caters for the mayor and, famous basketball players and stuff. And she taught us how to cook. We started with fish. We went through fish, chicken, and then beef, and along the way we did sides and desserts for every day that we cooked. And we also had Mediterranean, days, we'd cook like falafel and hummus and musabacha and stuff like that. And and also we went to, no, we didn't go anywhere. We had like a day for sushi and a day for pasta, and we had a day where this pastry chef came, and that was so cool. One of the coolest things I learned just about chocolates. They have these like chocolates, and they have like these designs on them, and I had no idea how the designs were made, and I found out that they're really just this like pieces of paper that have the designs on it, and you just like literally take the chocolate and you just go like that on it, and it's just like imprints the designs. It's just like a thin sugar coating. I don't know, it was just really fun, and they always have stock going, like you're supposed to cook stock for like 72 hours, so they have it going 24/7. There's just a big pot like this big of stock going, so it just always smells amazing. You just walk in every day, you just kind of like, the stock smells nice today. What are we going to be cooking? And anytime we need something, like we have this like master chef thing at the end, which me and my group won. And randomly we were just like, we need beef or something. And Sarah, who was Tali's like assistant chef, is like, I'll be right back, and just run down to Machne Yehuda and grab some food and come back up like, okay, here's fresh, cut yesterday. Here you go. Like, awesome, thanks.